Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna do another how to make your room aesthetic. I've already made a video about this with cheap decor or things you can make at home, but for this video I'm gonna show you a lot of cute DIYs that you can do yourself. Some of these are pretty simple and others are a little bit more advanced, but still doable even if you're not creative. Most of them cost or nothing or barely anything. I am so excited for this video. I hope you are too. Let's just get started. I did get my inspiration from TikTok and I will show you the TikToks with the DIYs, how to do it. So I'm gonna go from the most simple DIYs to the more harder DIYs, but it does get better. So please stay because it's gonna be really good. So first I'm gonna start off with two videos, which is kind of the same idea, but you can do it in two ways. So I'm gonna show you both. So for the first one, she basically only uses white paper, a pencil, and she colors them. And then she hangs them up because this is a DIY on just paper flowers on the wall, which is such a cute decor idea and it turns out pretty cute. But I found another one. Well, it looks a little bit better in my opinion. This is the TikTok. This is what it looks like. I think it looks so cute and I think it looks better than the other one. So as you can see, for this one she uses like just colored paper, and in my opinion it looks better than the other one, but both are very good options and both are really cute. Look at that. I think that looks so cute. This one is so adorable. So for this one you do need a printer. If you don't have it, maybe you can use one at your school. So basically she just prints out butterflies, she colors them, and she hangs them up on the ceiling. And I don't know, I just thought this looked so incredibly cute and aesthetic. I really wanted to include this one because it's so incredibly cute and it's so simple. If you have a printer, it's so cute. Like, oh my god. Next up, this one is pretty simple. It's if you have books but you don't really like the cover of them. So this is the TikTok. She uses designer brands, but you can definitely use something else if you want. Personally, I really like old books. I think those look really aesthetic, but if you have books and you don't like the cover of them and they just don't look good, or maybe they're like child books, then you could easily do this and like make them look cute and pretty and put them in your room, because honestly books are such a simple way to decorate your room and they could be like an easy stand for something. It's just a very easy way to fill space. Then this next one is, this one is even more simple than the flower paper thingies. So this is the TikTok. She basically just draws these like Spotify thingies, and I don't know if you've seen them, but you also have them like on class, and those look really cool. But this is a much simpler way of doing that and a much cheaper way. If you just don't really have any money to spend, then this is a great way of doing it. And together with the cute paper flowers, this is just a great way to start decorating your room if you don't have money. And then moving on to the next one, I think this one is really cute. So this is the TikTok. I think this one looks really aesthetic and it's pretty simple. So she uses like one of those paper cut thingies that just cuts out a heart, and I don't have that. I still think this is really cute, and I also found another one similar to this. So this is a similar one. So she basically just, I think she draw them. I think she just draw mushrooms and she colors them in, and then she also puts them on a string and she hangs them up. And I think this is really cute. I think there's like a pretty simple way to do this. You can basically just, if you have paper and a string, I think you're good to go. So for the next TikTok, this is a girl that transformed her room and she didn't really use much else than paper. I just thought that this could be some cute inspiration for you. So this is the TikTok. So first she kind of like cuts her name out in paper and she made pink clouds and stars on neon paper, I'm pretty sure, and I think this looks so cool, like also in the dark with the neon paper. Oh my god. And then the other wall I also think looks really cool. I think that looks so good, to be honest. I don't know what she's doing next. Oh yes, this is also so cool. So this is if you have like spotlights. This is so cool. I never even thought of that, but I don't have those kind of lamps, so I can really do that. I think this one is so cool. I believe she has multiple parts of this, but this one is the one that I saw and I think it looks so good. Then the next one is one that is a bit more popular and a bit more known, but I do want to include it. So it's the candles. This is the TikTok, and if you don't know how to do this, or maybe if you hadn't really thought of this, this is how you do it. I think I actually want to do this myself because it looks so simple and I'm really curious, and it's really cute. Look at that. It's so simple, but it adds so much. And also if you have like she has just in cute colors, in pastel colors, that is so cute. I really think I want to do this myself as well. Then also something that I have seen a lot but I didn't really know how to do, but I saw this one and I did want to include it because this is so cute. So this is the TikTok. So it's like with the DVDs where it's like painted on and stuff, and it looks really cute and aesthetic, and this is how you do it. So basically she just like gets tape and gets it all off, and then it's like see-through, and then she just draws things on them. And like I've seen this a lot on TikTok, and it's so incredibly cute, and I think I'm gonna do this myself as well. Like, oh my god, that is so cute. Then this next one, I don't know, watching it makes me feel like that's such a waste, but again, I hang my vinyls up on the wall because it does have something to do with vinyls. This is the TikTok. So I think she just puts them, what does she do? She puts it like on a bowl of hot water, and she just like makes it into like some kind of tray. Like, I do think it's cute and aesthetic, but it also feels like kind of a waste. But you know, I hang them up on the wall so I can use those anymore either. Like, I thought it looked pretty cute and I wanted to include it. So if you have some old vinyls that don't work, or you definitely don't like, then maybe you could try this out because it is pretty cute. And you know, if you already have vinyls, then this doesn't cost you any money. So this one's pretty cute. It's in a different language, but I did like it and I wanted to include it. So overall it's pretty simple, but she does use like paper mache. That's what you call it, right? I don't know exactly how you do that, but I think this is, if you're a little bit more creative, then this is a good one for you. I do think it's really cute and it's really easy. She just used cardboard, some paper mache, some paint, and she made herself some cute trays. So, oh, this one's one of my favorites. So this one's also a little bit more popular. I really love this one. I kind of want to do it myself, but I don't think I can pull it off. Isn't this so cute? This is so cute. I really want it. I just want to buy it. I don't think I can do that myself. But of course you don't have to do it like a heart. I also found this one. She made it in a cow print before, but now she's redoing it. And also really, really cute. So first she makes it green because I think of the cow print. But then she makes it purple and she makes these little flowers on it, which I think is so cute. I could never do that, but here you have some ideas. I think it's so cute. Then the next one is also really, really cute. I don't know how to explain it to you, but you will see in the end. Basically, she just has like this thingy that I don't know what to call, but I think you can see it, but she just paints it like really pretty. I could never pull that off, but you see what it is. I thought this one was so cute. You have to be careful with that though. I don't know how easy that is to get off, but please, if you try this, be careful. But I think it's so, so cute, and you don't have to paint it that pretty. Just again, like a cow print or something, or even just like a cute color is totally fine. Like, and that already makes it so much cuter. So then the next one is also really, really cute and a little bit Pinterest inspired, really. So this is the next one. As you see, she used inspiration from Pinterest, but I think this is so cute. Like, she actually just printed out some text and then she just used some fake flowers and hung it up, and I think it looks really good and it's so aesthetic. Then also one more related to this one, which I love even more, is this one. She got these see-through tubes, and I just think this is so smart. I have no words. I really, really love the look of this, and I think I want to try this as well. That is so cute. Oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna do like a whole wall, but just like maybe just a few. It's so cute. I really, really love it. Then the next one you also don't really have to be talented for, but this is the next one. So she just has a mirror and she paints the mirror, but she also says that it doesn't really turn out that good. But she doesn't use it as an actual mirror. She uses it more as a tray. And in the end, it looks really, really cute. She just put some candles on it, and just all the colors, the pastel colors, is so cute. And it's really aesthetic, and I never really thought of using it like that, but I think it's pretty cute and original. That is so cute with the candles. I love it. I thought this one was really, really cute. I don't know if you need special paint for this or something. The next one is also a bit more popular, but I found one that is a little bit different and also kind of fun. So this is the next one. So she just has this old mirror with two sides. So she paints clouds on it. Like, that is pretty popular as well. But if you forgot, that's also a thing that you can do. Painting clouds is not that hard, but also like on the back she just makes this other thing. I don't know how you call that. I don't know if you have a name for that, but I think it's so fun that she also made the back just more cute and interesting. I think it's still really cute and it's very aesthetic, so you can definitely try that out as well. Then next we have, I think, one of my favorites as well. I think this one is so incredibly cool. So that were all of the TikTok DIYs that I had for you. I really loved all of them. And like I said, I really want to try out some of these myself for my own room. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe and like this video and let me know in the comments what you want me to try. So anyways, if you haven't seen my other video yet on how to make your room aesthetic, definitely check it out. Subscribe, like, and I hope I will see you in my next video.